Well, we're all set up in Valdevacuros campsite. It's a short walk over the road to the fantastic beach. It's about 5 miles west of Tarifa. Very, very nice area, and we're thoroughly enjoying it.
We like little Santa's grotto here. So this is our lovely Christmas Eve supper. Look at those beauties. Oh, back it upside down.
Arms are going in.
So this is our Christmas dinner in the Omnia, and we actually have the turkey. It's all Al's telling me it's chicken, but we're pretending it's turkey. So it's chicken with we bought it from the supermarket, and it's actually got all berries and fruit and all different filling inside, so it's a fruity filling. And then we've got gravy, we've got underneath, we've got the carrots, we've got broccoli. We couldn't get sprouts. Sprouts don't seem to exist in Spain. They did in France as we were coming through, but we couldn't find them in the supermarket in Spain. And then we've just put the pigs in blankets on the top. Not yet done, because we've got roast potatoes to do, so that's my next trick. So yeah, we'll show you the end product as we go. But bread sauce and stuffing and everything's on the go. Sun is shining. We've walked down to the beach this morning, just watched the King's speech, and yeah, we're rocking and rolling for our Christmas dinner on 2 gas rings. Those roast potatoes, so more than parboiled potato and then just literally fried up a little bit, but they look like the real deal. So yeah, Christmas lunch. Not bad, hey?
Christmas pud, a lovely slice of Caroline's Christmas cake.
Right, this is just going to make everybody laugh. We are getting up quite early this morning. There's not a soul around. The sun hasn't even come out. out, and we're doing the package holiday. I'm still putting his shoes on. The package holiday version of putting your towel on the deck chair before anybody else gets to the pool. But what we're doing in Camperman Life is getting to the washing machines first. So for €4 we can wash all of our washing, and we're just going to see if anybody's actually already got there before us. So let's find out. And we're not the first. Al's gutted. Everything's going in.
Towels?
Yep.
Oh. Sure you don't want 4 bloody what's names?
No, go in. No pants. No, you did that on purpose.
That's on my grey t-shirt. Okay.
Al hasn't found the golf buggy. It's all part of the establishment. But I think he's hoping. So just outside the bar.
And these bikes?
Oh yeah, these are, you can hire them for the day.
Electric bike.
Electric bike, €35 for the day, which we thought was pretty good.
We're heading down to the beach to see if we can catch the sunset.
It's always a dangerous boy job to be done. So we've had a lovely Christmas week in Volta campsite, and we're heading off to Tarifa for a new year.